In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a post and earn points using the Binance Square War Traders League trade sharing widget. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to share your strategies or just starting out and want to engage with a vibrant community, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know with confidence. First, open your Binance app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't installed it yet, you can grab it from your preferred app store and log in with your Binance account. Once you're in, look for the Square tab. This is the hub for all community discussions and traders posts, a space designed to let you share market insights, strategies, and connect with fellow traders. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the plus button in the Square tab. This will let you create your own post. Here you can write about your recent trades, unique market insights, or even general observations about trends. The goal is to provide clear and informative content that engages others and adds value to the conversation. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're intuitive, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your post is relevant, concise, and accurate, and double-check your data or charts before sharing. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent misunderstandings or misinterpretations. Once you've written your content, add the hashtag #TradersLeague. This ensures your post is properly categorized and reaches the right audience interested in Traders League discussions. After that, add a screenshot, chart, or image to complement your post. Visuals make your post more appealing and help others quickly understand your insights. Finally, tap the Post button, and just like that, your content is live. After that, you should be able to watch your post engage the community, with likes, shares, and comments contributing to the points you earn. It's also a good idea to respond to comments and interact with others. Taking this extra step ensures higher engagement and maximizes your rewards while maintaining your presence in the community. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share your insights and earn points using the Binance Square War Traders League effectively and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with crypto transfers. Why not make someone's trading day easier?